Forex robots, essentially automated trading systems, have revolutionized how traders engage with the Forex market. These robots, programmed to follow specific trading strategies, execute trades with precision and speed that humans can't match. This automation ensures consistent trading, adhering strictly to predefined criteria and reducing the emotional impact on trading decisions. MetaTrader 4, a platform lauded for its robust functionality and user-friendly interface, is particularly favored for deploying these robots. It offers advanced charting tools, a plethora of indicators, and extensive backtesting environment, making it an ideal choice for traders looking to leverage automated strategies. Selecting the right Forex robot involves several critical considerations. First, compatibility with your trading strategy is essential. The robot should enhance your specific approach, whether scalping, day trading, or long-term investing. Next, effective risk management features are vital. A good Forex robot offers tools to limit losses, such as stop-loss orders and customizable risk levels. Lastly, cost-effectiveness matters. Evaluate the initial cost against potential returns, and consider ongoing expenses like updates or subscriptions. Ensuring these factors align will greatly contribute to the robot's success in your trading portfolio. In 2024, the landscape of Forex robots compatible with MetaTrader 4 showcases advanced capabilities and improvements in trading efficiency. These top-tier robots are engineered with sophisticated algorithms that not only execute trades at optimal times but also adapt to changing market conditions. Their unique features, such as real-time data analysis, predictive analytics, and customized trading strategies, empower traders to maximize gains while minimizing risks. The advantages of using these robots are clear. They provide a hands-off trading experience, ensure precision in execution, and enhance decision-making with robust analytical tools, thus significantly improving the overall trading efficiency. Installing and configuring Forex robots on MetaTrader 4 involves precise steps to ensure both performance optimization and security. Starting with the installation, traders need to download the robot files and integrate them into the MetaTrader platform, typically into the experts or indicators directories. The configuration stage is crucial. Settings must be carefully adjusted to match the trader's risk profile and trading strategy. This process includes setting lot sizes, stop-loss orders, and possibly custom parameters that dictate the robot's operational behavior. Additionally, ensuring security protocols are in place to protect trading data and operations is essential. Maximizing trading results with Forex robots on MetaTrader 4 revolves around diligent performance monitoring, strategic settings adjustment, and keeping the software up to date. Traders should regularly review their trading logs and robot analytic reports to evaluate effectiveness and make informed adjustments. Tweaking the settings, such as adjusting the risk levels or refining entry and exit points, can significantly enhance outcomes. Furthermore, staying abreast of software updates ensures that the robot functions with the latest trading algorithms and security features, maintaining its competitiveness in a dynamic market. These proactive steps help traders ensure their automated setups remain robust and profitable.